Welcome back, class 7th. Today we will start our new chapter, new exercise 8.2. And before starting that, we will discuss about proportion and continued proportion. So here, an equally of two ratio is called proportion. Four number A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A ratio B equal to C ratio D, and we write A ratio B proportion C ratio D. Note, if A ratio B proportion C ratio D, then A, B, C, D are respectively known as first, second, third and fourth term. First, second, third and fourth term. The first and fourth term are called extreme terms or extremes, and the second and third terms are called middle terms. Clear? So product of extreme equal to product of means. It's mean A multiplied with D equal to B multiplied C. Thus, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, in that condition AD equal to BC. If AD is not equal to BC, then A, B, C, D are not in proportion. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about continued proportion. If A ratio B proportion B ratio C, in that condition A, B, C are said to be continued proportion, and C is called third proportional to A, B and fourth proportional to A, B, B. Clear? In that condition A by B equal to B by C. So we can write here B square equal to AC, or B equal to under root AC, and B is called mean proportional to geometrical means between A and C. Clear? So here B is called mean proportion if we have three numbers, continued numbers. Okay. So here we are going to start exercise 8.2. Question first. Are the number 3, 4, 12 and 20 in proportion? So for that, firstly we will write here 3 ratio 4 and 12 and 20. So firstly we need to write this. For example, it is A, it is B, it is C and this is D. So extreme में जो होते हैं that is called तो AD equal to BC. If A is 3 and D is 20, B is 4 and C is 12. So see carefully, 3 23s are 60 and here 12 4s are 48. See, is this equal? No, these are not equal. So we can write here A, D not equal to BC. If AD equal to AD not equal to BC, in that condition A, B, C and D. It's mean 3, 4, 12 and 20 are not in proportion. Clear? Now next question. If 25, 30 x are in continual proportion, find the value of x. So here it is talking about continued proportion. And what is the condition for continued proportion? Firstly we will write 25, 30 and x. So we will take 25 as A, 30 as B and this is as C. We know the condition V under root AC, or we can write here B square AC. So value of B equal to 30 square 25 and here what is the value of C? It is x. So we will write here x equal to 30 multiply 30 upon 25 को हम लोग डिवाइड कर लिए 5 5 में 5 6 30 5 6 30. So here the value of x will be 36. Clear? So we have find the value of 36. Now here question number 3. Find the fourth proportional to these numbers 8, 36 and 6. So I have copied here. So first, second and third, and we have to find out the fourth term. Let fourth term equal to x. So in that condition we can write here 8 ratio 36 proportion 6 ratio x. Clear? After that we know that these two outer number are called extremes and these are called middle, or we can say that mean. Clear? So here we will write product of extremes and product of means. Now extreme is 8 and x, so let 8 multiply x equal to product of means 36 and 6. Here we will write x equal to 36 and here x and here 8. 8 ones are, here we will write 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. 2 3s are 6. Here we got 9 3s are 27. So fourth number will be 27. So we can write here fourth term will be 27, and thus we got the answer. Same as you will find x for this and x for this, x for this, x for this, and x for, and you have to show that are these number are in proportion or not. Clear? Same as I have done first question. And sir, me pick off your homework. Thank you.